Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can change who can send me friend request to friends of friends on Discord. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Discord app in your device. Then tap on settings icon. Next, tap on friend request. Next, you can see the option of friends of friends. Tap on it. So this is how you can change who can send me friend request to friends of friends on Discord. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.